said hit me with some boba, boba for the hit.
Oh, hello there. Merry Christmas. It is the evening of Wednesday, December 23rd. We have 3 new Jedis. Okay, yep, so excited. We spent the morning in Hollywood Studios getting everybody their Christmas presents, and then we took a little break. We've been very pleasantly surprised by the crowds. I'll put a link below so you can check out what the crowds were like in Hollywood Studios this morning. Now we are headed over to Epcot to hit some of the Festival of the Holidays kitchens for dinner. Then we're gonna go back to Hollywood Studios so that these guys can get some pictures in Galaxy's Edge.
And ride Toy Story Mania.
Yes.
And probably some other rides.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's see what Fast Pass King can do. 1, 2, 3, go.
So we've encountered the longest Skyliner line we have seen. It is 10 of 6. Let's see how long this takes. And like that, we're at the front of the line, all of 5 minutes. Thank you. We're in. Our Jedi. Good Lord.
Jedi Knights
roaming freely. God, he is so excited. We are going to start at Japan. We've been looking through the passport to try and figure out what the heck it is. There he is. Figure out what it is we want to eat that's left. We're gonna start in Japan, work our way on back to France, and then head over to Hollywood Studios.
Well done, Disney.
Now we're by Morocco, and crowds are a little healthier. First up for the evening, we have the green matcha tea creme brulee, and then we have the strawberry boba tea. Yay. And this is the bursty boba balls, not the jelly boba balls, so I'm really excited about that. Let's dig in. Woo!
I said hit me with some boba, boba for the hit.
Does it cracky?
Boba, boba for the hit.
2 winners. The matcha green tea creme brulee is like if you take a regular creme brulee and then add some green tea. That's what it tasted like. The strawberry boba was sort of more watery than a smoothie, but sort of milk, and the boba was good.
I like the boba. It's.
Oh, look at you with your backwards.
Well, it's because I'm poorly lit. If I don't.
Oh.
He wants to be hip with the kids.
I'm a hipster. No, but I like the strawberry boba because it wasn't super thick, but it was really good. And the matcha. Sometimes when you have matcha stuff, it gets too bitter.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. It just had the right.
No, it was like creme brulee with green tea.
Yeah. So
on to Morocco, where we're going to try the lamb because Aidan's a lamb man.
So these are called sfenji, which are the French-inspired beignets.
Oh
with
yeah,
a chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce.
And then this is a lamb kefta kebab.
Ooh, I think there's grapes and cucumbers.
Yes.
But there's like
cream filling.
Cream filled.
Oh my gosh.
Now that they've loaded up for the candlelight processional, it is considerably easier to walk. Okay, there he goes. Jedi's dancing.
I actually really liked the lamb. It was very, very good. Sometimes the pitas can get dry, but it wasn't. The pita wasn't dry, and I liked all those different flavors. You gotta like them, they're a little bit different. The beignets, they're a little small, not like your traditional beignet where it's crunchy, but there was that little creamy filling in it. It was really good. I think it's interesting where it's a Moroccan food, but you can tell there's French inspirations in it because there's a big kind of French influence in that Northern African Moroccan food.
Phew, getting all cultural. Okay. Now it's time for L'chaim. We very, very much want to try the pastrami on rye and the black and white cookie. Yes, my childhood is returning. Black and white cookie. And then, ooh, pickle. This is the pastrami on, what's it on? Pumpernickel?
Rye.
Rye, pastrami on rye.
It's a marble rye.
It's a marble rye.
Come on, Mom.
With
It's like a Seinfeld
deli
episode.
mustard,
And a pickle.
homemade pickle.
A black and white cookie.
Okay,
in the
black and
marble
white
rye.
cookie. Gotta get a little both sides. Let's go. The black and white cookie is just as I remembered. You have the dark icing, which is like dark chocolate fudgy, and then you have the white icing, which is like lemony. It is extremely rich, a nice dense cakey kind of cookie. Yeah, that's childhood. The pastrami on rye was a solid pastrami on rye. I like the homemade pickle on top. You get a lot of pastrami, and then you have the tartness of the mustard. Yeah, good combination. Mary, thoughts?
They were good. Yeah.
Here's what we're getting. Yep. These two things.
Boucher à la reine.
Yep. Oh, Mr. S speak French.
Boucher à la reine.
And then we're gonna go in and get some of the gingerbread ice cream with gingerbread. Alright, we got the turkey and puff pastry with mushrooms and cream sauce. And the chocolate bouche Noel.
What's your French name, Aidan? Guillaume?
What? So it was okay. The chocolate Yule log was very, very rich, very good. The turkey with the cream sauce and the puff pastry was okay. The turkey was good, the turkey was nice and tender. The puff pastry was a little, like, gummy, is that the word?
What?
Gummy?
It was tough.
It was tough to try to cut through.
It was hard and gummy at the same time, which is an achievement in its own right.
So we're gonna now head over to Hollywood Studios. We've decided that we're just gonna skip the gingerbread. We've had so many things that we've tried where it's been kind of like meh, that we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. So we'll see you there.
It totally looks like we're just like protecting Allie because Mary and I were walking in front of him.
Yeah. Right, so we have them and then we have him behind. We're a little bit delayed. Aidan left his phone on the gondola, so that was fun. So we had an unexpected stop at the Riviera station. Luckiest kid in the world right here because somebody found it, turned it in. All is well. So now we are at Hollywood Studios. We had a fast pass for Toy Story Mania. We actually got a little bit of magic because Disney converted it to a multiple experience fast pass. So then we were able to make another one for Tower of Terror. So we're gonna hit Tower of Terror, Toy Story Mania, and then my lightsaber Jedis are gonna get some pictures. Crowd check? Not nuts. Not any more nuts than it was this morning. Again, there are people, but it's not wall to wall. What? Oh, he's in Jedi mode. Oh, good Lord. Sunset season greetings happening as we walk on down towards the Tower of Terror. It's awesome.
Next up, the Hollywood Tower Hotel and the Tower of Terror.
Twilight Zone. You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Oh God.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, we got two like really, really big drops. All right, child. You gonna work with me on this game yet? Oh, before it was no. You're gonna work with me. You love your mother.
I don't even know what to do.
Oh, I'll tell you. On to Toy Story Mania. Oh, there he goes. I've never seen this man walk like this. With such, yeah, such purpose, swagger, confidence. Oh my God. We've created a monster. They're now giving people their own little light show. It's 8:50, fireworks, and the shows on the Chinese theater start at 9:37?
Something like that.
9:37, 9:39. There are already people who are staking out their spots. I don't know that there's enough people here where you need to stake out their spots, but here they are. Or maybe it's just time to sit down after a long day.
Fellow Jedis.
You're one of the order now, so you can, yes. You know, y'all think, okay, so he's just in Disney with this? No, 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 no. We're gonna go home. All of a sudden, we're gonna be getting groceries. We're gonna be going to the bank. Yup, yup. We gonna work together?
Possibly.
All right. Ready? Good. Let's go. Why are y'all excited?
Because they just reset the best of the hour.
All right, here we go. So, this is serious business. We'll see you after. Don't waste your time on this game. What did we learn, buddy? What did we learn?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Oh, 200, but still.
Another 200K.
Yeah. What did you learn, buddy?
Teamwork.
And we are out of Toy Story Land. We are in Galaxy's Edge. Mildly concerned because we are walking in the First Order side. And there is not a Sith lightsaber among us. He's going right up to Kylo Ren's ship. Right over. That's it. Made a beeline for it. These are my people. So another tip, if you come towards the end, you might get your own little photo session with a PhotoPass photographer. Meanwhile, Chewie is just over there and these people do not know and they will die. They will absolutely die if he somehow realizes that they are doing their little lightsaber thing. And this is phenomenal.
Here's your tip. If you get a lightsaber, and heck, even if you don't get a lightsaber, but if you get a lightsaber, you come in about an hour before the park closes. Especially if you can get it where everyone's going to either Fantasmic and or the fireworks. They have PhotoPass photographers all around. We just had 3 different photo shoots where we got
like extended
photo shoots where we probably with each one got, with 2 of them, we probably each got 50 or 60 pictures.
We are going to head out after a wonderful, wonderful Christmas day. Again, I had heard stories about how nuts it is, but I cannot emphasize enough how completely bearable today was.
Yes.
I hate crowds. I can't do crowds, but today was wonderful. So, we did so much. We are coming back here in the morning without lightsabers.
Yes, without lightsabers.
We might try and get on Rise of the Resistance. We're not gonna get up crazy early, but it'll be interesting to see if we get here a little bit later after park opening, if we can still get on.
Yeah, we may try to see if we get the later boarding group and we'll leave and then come back maybe. So we'll see.
Yeah. So,
this was an amazing Christmas.
Yeah, this was a great day.
We started.
Thank you so much for staying with us.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, it was. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of coming along with us because it was such a fun day.
Yeah. So definitely like this video, comment if you have spent Christmas at Disney and where. Subscribe to keep up with our adventures. And with that,
we invite you to set your imaginations free.